Hey guys, you know who this is. This is Steve, Greenway Outdoor Maintenance. I've been having trimmer troubles. On Saturday, I worked till 7 o'clock, 6:30 Saturday. I got all caught up. But the last 3 lawns, my trimmer head on my steel froze up. It won't turn. I don't know if it's the head or the cable inside. It's 5 years old. I'll call up the repair shop and see how much I want to put a head on it. So I got my trusty old Echo out. It's about 3 or 4 years old, same age. It runs good, but the little primer bulb, you see, it don't work when there's a hole in the primer bulb. It won't suck. It sucks too much air. It won't get gas out. Then the process, I put it back in my rack. I broke off the trigger, so now I got to fix the trigger and the primer bulb, which I, all over the parts and put them together. It's just a bitch getting this thing apart the right order and putting it back together the right order. That's the hard part. All the cable runs up in there from the trigger and all that. Anyway, so I went down to Home Depot and I paid 300 bucks and I got a new trimmer. This is the SMR 226. Haven't even started it up yet. Haven't even gas in it yet. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna fire her up, put some gas in it, see what she does. Hold on, guys. Hey guys, with my tripod and my gas over here. This is over here. I'm guessing it still takes gas, 2-cycle gas. I'm gonna put you guys here so I can unlock the lock. Wrong key. I got 2 different master locks here. And I got this one here. I locked these before I went to the Home Depot. There we go. So, here's my oil gas mix. I'm going to set this down so you guys can hopefully see what the heck I'm doing here. I've got a new tripod. It actually works pretty good. I'm going to give you a quick start guide. Don't need that. And we're going to put some oil gas in here. This one has a bigger engine than the cheaper model and a bigger gas tank. Then we'll see what happens here. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to set you guys over here in the trailer. There we go. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Primer, choke, on off, primer bulb, get some gas up in here. There we go, there's some gas. I finally got gas. Let's see if she starts. Yeah, I'll put her on choke. Oh, I forgot. Turn it on. There's a switch. How about that, guys? I like what a lot of these, at least Echo's doing on their machines now, so you don't have to guess. And they put the spark plug size on there, so you don't have to pull the spark plug out. I got it on this one here. I got it on my Echo backpack blower, and this is an older Echo. It doesn't have it on there. My steel doesn't have it on there. But there you guys go. I have to laugh, but I forgot. Me and the guy were talking. I got to take the security tag off. I walked right out the door, it didn't beep or chirp or anything. So I'll get my pair of wire cutters, cut that puppy off, throw it away. And I take the box off. There's supposed to be some oil, some goggles usually, some miscellaneous stuff. But that's my new trimmer. It's an SRM 266 Echo trimmer. And it cost me $323. I didn't buy it at Depot. I bought it at Home Depot. I didn't go to a dealer. It has a 1-year warranty, so in 1 year, if it craps out, breaks, I take it back to them and get a brand new one. Gotta keep the receipt for that though. Anyway, y'all take it easy, like and subscribe to my channel. Tonight is trash night. I gotta take the trash out. Oh well, I'm gonna take my trimmers out, those trimmers out, put them in the garage, or parts for the Echo tomorrow from my dealer. I call about my steel. This is my FS90R, which is a good trimmer. It has power. One bad thing is it weighs a freaking ton. This one's so light, it bounces around too much. This one's a little bit heavier, but still lighter than this one here. So, well, like I said, like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a note. Tell me what you think. Let me know if you have any good, bad reviews of the SRM 266. Talk to y'all later. Bye.